Lovelies, considering our earning of 2024, it was a bit superb, as you can see on your screen. And we're going to use the experience that we got in 2024 to make sure that we see how do we double or how do we increase our earnings on YouTube in 2025. But for us to increase our earnings on YouTube in 2025, we would love to know how can we earn on YouTube. And I'm taking a survey with the Immaculate Show YouTube channel of 2024 statistics. You can see on your screen, I'll be screen recording. In 2024, that was amount of money that we earned the whole year. But out of that money that we earned, you can earn in four different ways. But for us, we earned in 3 different ways. Let's see how we earned. We earned from watch page ads, which was almost the major one, watch page ads. Then we earned from short feeds ads, membership, but we did not earn from super gifts. So in watch page ads, you can see it contributes like 99% of the income that we earned. Then in short feeds, it tried just something like that. Someone out there might be asking, what is short feeds? That is the amount of money that we are paid out of the shorts. Those shorts that you upload, that is the money that they give us, called short feed ads. Then membership. How do you get membership? Membership is when people pay according to the level that you put there on your membership board. And in last year, the payment wasn't that super, but this year, you can't believe that we have already been like 100%. No, it is around 679% above last year as far as membership. So, you guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. You know, while we're in social media and especially on YouTube, we are here to make sure that we make money. I always tell you that that gadget that you hold in your hand has money. That platform that you use to watch people's content and other things, you can use it all to have money. So now, as you can see from my analytics of Immaculate Show, it means for us, we are earning more in watch page ads than ever before. So in today's video, it is going to have different segments. We're going to see how we can easily increase. Now we double. You have seen our statistics, what we earned in 2024, but now we want to double or triple it. If you know you had $10, you had $100, go and check your feeds. Go and check your analytics. Let's double that. Now, we're going to see how to increase this watch page ads on YouTube. And we're going to be bringing for you some statistics like the way you have seen. Also, we're going to be chipping in other statistics. So in this video, if you want to earn and if you want to learn how to earn, please don't touch the dial. And as you know, for us, we more earning in watch ads, not even brand sponsorship and other things. But before we do all these things, apart from appreciating you, our lovely fan, thank you very much for being on the Market Show and for trusting us, for being accepting to be your teacher. God bless you all. And also for the people who have paid their membership, you're so blessed. You have a special place in our chair. What you do, go there, ask any question. You have a mandate to get excellent service with us. If you also want to be part of the masterclass one-on-one, you can send us email. You can send us email, or you can even chat us on WhatsApp. Let's dive in. You guys, we are going to be looking at how we can increase our watch page ads. I'm very sure that I'm now talking to content creators or business owners who want to really have a lot of money, who want to double their watch page ads as far as YouTube is concerned, or you want to boost it. This is the right video for you. But before we go into details, we would love to tell you that during 2023 to 2024, there was a lot of money that was given to creators, around $30 billion. And this among $30 billion did not go to the billion creators that are that are posting content on a daily basis. No, it went to some specific few people or some specific class of people that follow standards that are there to eat on this cake. So the higher percentage of 30 billion was taken by also a smaller percentage. I know you're there and thinking, no, Christine, this is an insane amount of money to be taken by a few people. Yes, it is insane. But if you're not optimizing your videos and your content, you might not get your ads. You might not benefit from this watch page ads. So we end up leaving the money on the table and we leave it for the few minority who are going extra mile to do something very profitable. This is a disclaimer, most of us, I don't want you to get annoyed whenever you're watching my videos, because me, I'll always talk the truth and I'm always putting everything on the table, since it is a tutorial educational channel. Guys, let's not focus on what is not giving us. I know every person that is on this platform on YouTube, you want to get money. If you know you're there, that you're there maybe for fun, but even if you're fun, I know you want to get money. Let's change that narrative today of leaving the $30 billion on the table with other few people, and we concentrate. But the important thing on this video, one, you need to understand, you need to learn. What do you need to understand? We're going to be bringing different clusters. Like the first cluster is to understand what is this watch page ads all about. What do you think about? What do you understand when you hear watch page? That is the money that we don't lift a finger like this to hustle. The moment I come here and make my video, full stop, I'm done. The only thing I'm going to tell you what I do after making this video, then I just sleep and wait for the money. So the first thing for you to understand the watch page ads. These are ads that appear in your watch videos, in your watch page, those videos that you're uploading. They always are in different clusters. We have pre-roll ads that come before the video has started. We have mid-rolls. We have even post-rolls that come after. So this one they pray, and the viewers, whenever they watch, they watch your content, they give you a chance to earn more money out of it. The surprising statistics that I found out is that according to YouTube, 70% of YouTubers view your videos without even skipping these ads, which is very good. And indeed, it is very right, because there are sometimes even when I go to YouTube and you find I cannot skip it. So give me your time and I will let you know that you can change your story right away. So if you know you're not benefiting from this, please, this is an opportunity. This video is for you. It might be long, but it is good. What are the 5 strategies or 10 strategies, the way I'll bring them for you to make sure you put your eyes on and benefit from these watch page ads. Remember, my last year's income was all 99 point something was from this watch page. The first one, please always create longer content. Longer videos is equal to more advert opportunities. This is what I've put. More adverts that are pressed on your video, the more create longer videos. When you create longer videos, it means you're going to get mid-rolls, you're going to get post-rolls, and you're going to get even preloads. But the moment you create shorter videos, you're going to either get the first and the last. Like previously, before this video, I created a video. I just put a video of 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It had only 2 videos. It had only 2 page ads. So that one I cannot earn like the person who has already almost like 5 of the watch decided to venture into 8 to 15 minutes. It's not a matter that it has to be 8. It can be to 8 to 15 minutes. When you get this 8 to 15 minutes, you will find that you are in position to even alter. When I talk about alter, you have a chance to review. So the statistics, they show that longer video, and these statistics are not just from somewhere, it is from my data, from market show data, even other people's data. Longer videos from 10 to 15 videos, they do fetch at least 50% of the ad revenue more than the shorter ones. What brings this? Because the moment you have more than 10 minute long video, it means the advertisers, they press their different videos. And as I was telling different ads, I was telling you, you can go and even review your videos. You press them well, provided you don't overload them, because also if you overload them, you might make the viewers get bored and move away. So what you do, at least you can make the mid rolls to run around 3 to 4 minutes, then that one can increase even your ad impression. They can even increasing your ad revenue without overloading the viewers. So if you're there and you want to double the amount of money that you did last year, this is a strategy that you should even use. That is the first one. The second one is about increasing engagement with call to action. What I've come to see uh, from last year, we used not to have that call to action so much. What do I mean call to action? Call to action is like, for example, you do your like the one I'm talking about, increase engagement. Then at the end of it, I show you what to do. Please, after watching the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share it to somebody. These ones, the content, a content engagement, it makes, which is rated as CTA. You guys, it makes our impression go higher, and even it prompts immediately. It prompts the advertisers to press high paying ads. You will think about it. The moment you put a video, if you put a video like this and people watch and like and comment, that video is likely to move so fast. My videos recently have been very restricted. I cannot say that I'm shadow banned. I don't know, but me, that is not my part. Provided the videos are earning money, I don't mind. But I also try by all means to make sure that it reaches wider audience, though we are young. Surprisingly, videos that encourage viewers interaction can add up to more than 30% increase in ad revenue. So please, the moment you're watching this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. We need to make money in this 2025. Then the third strategy, the fourth strategy, I can call it the fourth strategy, or the third, it is to optimize your YouTube algorithm. I can say optimize YouTube and at the same time be consistent. Let me make it in one. I've come to see most of the videos every time, don't get tired of bringing it here, being consistent and also optimizing. How do you optimize? You're going to optimize your title, you're going to optimize your description, you're going to optimize your thumbnail. I'm trying to make sure that I do these best practices. You know why? Because I want to make sure that this platform takes over to my 9 to 12-hour job. So the moment you want to double the amount of money that you made previous month or previous year, and as you've seen that it almost comes, 99% comes from the watch AdSense. That means I have to step up the game. So optimizing, you're going to ask me, what is optimization? There are many tools that can use for optimization. Like me, I've completely been doing optimization used with VIDQ, but there are many others like TubeBuddy. There is also Meta AI. All these ones, you can use them to optimize your videos, your titles. They bring for you the key searchable words. They bring for you the real tags that are on knob, and even the description. What helps you to optimize? The moment you do optimization, it means your video, as into the words, it is going to rank high. We don't need to hustle. By the way, me, I no longer hustle. I use VIDQ and it helps me so much. YouTube, even if you're doing optimization, you need to keep consistency. What you do, don't open your finger, don't close your finger. Do what you can, like what I do. Me, what I do my part. If the YouTube surprise and doesn't go, that is not my problem, as long as my money is coming. And if YouTube recommends and people watch, that is good. So I make sure that I'm doing the best practice. I'm being consistent. I'm optimizing. If I'm doing that, the rest I will not get headache. I know there are some people, if they were like me, you're posting and you're only seeing 20, 30, 100 views, 600 without going to billions and 1,000, you'd stop there. But that is not my style. So do this such that it will reach a time when you will grow without knowing. Me, sometimes now I was checking my channel and I found the video with the 649. I said, when did it happen? because I've been using these days, it is in 20. So do what you are supposed to do and leave the rest to the algorithm, as long as you're in good terms with it. Another strategy, it is optimize ad settings for better revenue. When we talk about ad setting, I almost talked about it before, but let me tell you guys. The moment you have a 10 to 15 minutes video, what I want you to do after after uploading and you set for premiere, you schedule, I want you to go and review this. It is called replacement. Review it. For YouTube, can press 3 to 4, but if you want, you can press 5. As long as it is not going to do what, to load, and it is also not going to eh, disturb the viewers, because you can put non-skippable ads, you can put mid rolls, you can do what you want to do on your video, provided you don't disturb the viewers. The one viewers can skip after seconds, that one would be very, very good. So go there and do that. What is the purpose? The purpose is to double our watch page ads. Then the fifth strategy, it is improve on video search engine CEOs for more visibility. We talked about it. If you want your videos now to increase, your content might be down, might not be seen, and you're doing very good content, but there's one finding it is another problem. And how can someone find you if you don't be found? It means if now I'm earning $5, indeed if they were finding me, I would be earning like $50. So what you do, use optimized search engines and at least double your views to 75%, like what I'm trying to do. And the algorithm can also favor us. Let's go to the seventh. It is a bonus tip, you guys. It's collaborate with other creators. If you know you're a creator out there, I would love you, and you're into money making videos, please, I want you to get in touch with me. This one is going to increase my audience. It means the audience are going to watch my videos, and my audience is also going to watch your audience. This one can even increase your revenue up to 40%. So you guys, whenever you are, I've given you these 5 to 6 powerful strategies for you to make sure that you can earn this money, the watch page ad revenue times 2 of what we did last year. Most people are waiting for brand sponsorship and other things, but there is money in watch page ads. So thank you very much, you guys. Create engaging content, create content that is valuable, and let people watch your video. And for you, at the end of the day, we smile together. Thank you very much. See you in another video.